Wild boar, also known as feral hogs in many parts of the world, are among the most adaptable and destructive invasive species on the planet. In regions like the United States, Australia, and parts of Europe, their population has exploded in recent decades. Estimates suggest that in the US alone, over 6 million feral hogs roam across more than 35 states, and their numbers are still climbing. A single sow can produce 2 litters per year, each with 4 to 12 piglets, meaning their population can grow at an alarming rate if left unchecked. Wild boars are highly intelligent, social, and resourceful animals. They usually travel in groups called sounders, consisting of females and their young, while adult males roam alone, except during mating season. Their nocturnal habits make them difficult to spot during the day, and their excellent sense of smell helps them locate food buried deep underground. They are omnivorous, eating roots, crops, small animals, eggs, and even carrion. Their intelligence allows them to avoid traps once they've learned the danger, which makes management extremely challenging. The agricultural impact of wild boars is staggering. In the United States, annual damages caused by feral hogs are estimated at over $2.5 billion. They destroy crops such as corn, wheat, rice, peanuts, and sugarcane by rooting and trampling fields. A single group of boars can wipe out an entire farm's harvest in one night. Their rooting also disrupts soil structure, increases erosion, and damages irrigation systems. Beyond crops, they threaten livestock by spreading diseases like swine fever, brucellosis, and leptospirosis, which can also pose risks to human health. Given the environmental and economic threat, wildlife management agencies consider wild boar control a top priority. Methods include targeted hunting, using professional marksmen and trained hunters to reduce populations in high-impact areas. Large-scale trapping, capturing entire sounders at once to prevent rapid repopulation. Helicopter hunting, in open landscapes, aerial control can quickly remove dozens of hogs in a short time. Public participation. Many states encourage landowners and hunters to report sightings and harvest hogs year-round, with no seasonal restrictions. Biological research. Scientists are studying contraceptive methods and disease control to limit reproduction without harming other wildlife. Public views on wild boar hunting are mixed. Farmers in rural communities overwhelmingly support aggressive control measures, seeing them as necessary for protecting livelihoods and ecosystems. Conservationists agree that unmanaged hog populations cause severe damage to native species and habitats. However, some animal welfare groups oppose certain hunting methods, arguing for non-lethal solutions. In urban areas, people often underestimate the threat until boars begin damaging gardens, parks, and vehicles. Overall, the majority opinion leans toward active management, with hunting being the most practical and immediate solution in many regions. Wild boar hunting is not just a sport. In many regions, it's a critical wildlife management tool. Without control, their numbers can double within a year, causing billions in damage and irreversibly harming ecosystems. Balancing effective population control with humane practices remains the ultimate challenge. For communities living alongside these intelligent but destructive animals, the debate is less about whether to manage them and more about how to do it effectively.